It's been a fairly quiet month in the markets as everyone spent most of January recovering from Christmas, abstaining from alcohol and creating New Year's resolutions. But as we approach February, instead of beating yourself up for quitting another gym membership 1 month in, get excited about these investing platform updates from Saxo, Trading 212, XTB and InvestEngine. Saxo Markets is a platform that's been around for a while, but in order to stay competitive with all the young guns and newer investing apps, it's recently overhauled most of its prices. The main change is lowering pretty much all of its minimum commissions. For example, the minimum commission on US stocks has dropped from $10 to $1, and the minimum fee for UK shares is down from £8 to £3. These lower commissions have been rolled out across most markets Saxo provides access to. I won't list them all and send you to sleep because they include over 50 global markets. But you can check out the full range of new fees in our review, which is linked in the description below. The other key change is that the foreign exchange FX fee has been simplified. Instead of a tiered system based on the size of your trade, it's now just a flat 0.25% across the board. A welcome move considering Saxo lets you invest in markets around the world. These new fees still don't make Saxo the cheapest for smaller investments, but it's definitely an improvement, and it's decent value if you are making larger trades. Starting from the 15th of Feb, you'll be able to transfer your portfolio to and from other brokers. Portfolio transfers are quite common with ISAs, but not so much with regular investment accounts. Here's how it works. In the Trading 212 app, you'll be able to access a portfolio transfers section and monitor the progress on a transferred dashboard. This new feature means you can submit incoming and outgoing share transfers with your Invest or ISA account. For the Invest account, you can only transfer shares. These have to be full shares, i.e. not fractional shares. But the portfolio transfer can be a partial or a full switch. With the ISA, you can transfer shares and or cash. However, incoming transfers need to be full for the current tax year, but can be partial for previous years. Outgoing transfers must always be a full transfer. And keep in mind, your transfers need to be assets supported by Trading 212's platform. A few months ago, we told you about XTB's introduction of investment plans. Well, the initial rollout was quite basic, but XTB has put some muscle into improving this feature for a smoother user experience. In the app, just click on the Save tab, then Start Investing Smartly. Here, you'll be able to choose an ETF portfolio, and to make this easier, each ETF shows the 5-year return, a risk score, and a Morningstar rating. After selecting your ETFs, pick your percentage allocations, and finally, select how much to invest. 15 quid is the minimum. Joining the ranks of other low-cost pension providers like Vanguard, InvestEngine has introduced a new self-invested personal pension SIP product. The account fee is just 0.15% of your portfolio with a £200 yearly cap. With this SIP, you get full access to InvestEngine's ETF catalogue and all the investing tools on offer from the platform. Also, they'll even create and manage a retirement portfolio for you if you're happy to fork out an extra 0.25% in fees. Each month, we'll be bringing you the latest updates on your favourite trading apps. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss out. To see our roundup of the best trading apps in the UK at the moment, visit finder.com by clicking here and following the link below. Thanks for watching. See you next month.